Did you know that Pinterest isn't just a place for pretty recipes and dreamy travel boards? It's also a goldmine for making money online. In fact, with over 450 million active users and a focus on visual discovery, Pinterest is one of the most underrated platforms for earning cash. Imagine this, you're scrolling Pinterest, pinning ideas for your dream home, and suddenly you realize, wait, why not get paid for doing this? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to turn your Pinterest boards into money-making machines. So grab a notebook because these strategies might just change your life. 1. Affiliate marketing. Monetize your pins. First up, affiliate marketing. This is one of the easiest ways to start earning. Here's how it works. You promote products from brands you love, and every time someone buys through your unique link, you earn a commission. Why does this work so well on Pinterest? Because people on Pinterest are already searching for things to buy. Use platforms like Amazon Associates or ShareASale to get affiliate links. And don't forget to add engaging descriptions to your pins to boost clicks. 2. Drive traffic to your blog or website next. Use Pinterest to drive traffic to your blog or website. Think of Pinterest as a search engine, not just social media. If you're a blogger or run an online store, Pinterest can help bring you loads of potential customers. Create visually stunning pins using tools like Canva. Add clear, catchy headlines like 10-minute recipes for busy moms or how to decorate on a budget. 3. Offer services. Are you a freelancer or service provider? Pinterest can double as your portfolio. Create pins that showcase your expertise like hire me for custom logo designs or expert social media manager available. Add a call to action like contact me through the link in the description to make it easy for people to reach you. 4. Sell digital products. Let's talk digital products. These are things like eBooks, planners, or online courses that you create once and sell over and over again. Pinterest's audience loves DIY and self-improvement, making it perfect for selling these items. Use keywords like printable planner or DIY home hacks in your pin descriptions to show up in searches. 5. Create and sell Pinterest templates. Any Pinterest users struggle with creating beautiful pins. If you're good at design, you can create templates for others to use. Sell these templates on platforms like Etsy or your own website. Use tools like Canva to design easy-to-edit templates and promote them through your own Pinterest account. 6. Collaborate with brands for sponsored content. If you've built a decent following on Pinterest, brands might pay you to create sponsored pins featuring their products. This works particularly well in niches like fashion, home decor, and lifestyle. Reach out to brands you love or join influencer networks like Aspire IQ or 4 to find opportunities. 7. Manage Pinterest accounts for businesses. Lastly, many businesses know Pinterest is valuable but don't have the time or expertise to use it effectively. That's where you come in. Offer Pinterest management services, helping businesses grow their accounts and drive traffic. Create a portfolio showcasing your Pinterest success and pitch your services to small businesses or solopreneurs. Which of these strategies are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your goals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips and money-making strategies.